Hi friends, I am Pawan from Great Pelican. Recently we have developed an application called ChargeBird to charge your EV car using this charger. So today I am here to demonstrate you how to charge your EV car using the EV charger. First, make sure your charger is on, and then make sure the two lights are solid, not blinking. If they are blinking, it means the charger is preparing. So wait for a few seconds until they turns into solid. If they are in red color, you need to contact the customer support to rectify this issue. So then again, this is the connector that we are going to connect to the charger. So to remove this, you need to gently press the top button and gently remove it from the charger. Now using this gun, we will see how we can charge the car. So friends, this is an AC type 2 connector which is of 7.4 kilowatt. Now just get to your car, open your protective casing, and as you can see, this car has an type 2 socket. So gently connect the connector to our socket, and then let's move on to the ChargeBird app. I will show you how to start the charging using our ChargeBird application. So guys, after connecting the connector, let us see how to start the charging. Go to your ChargeBird application and complete your profile and add your vehicle. You can see you can add the vehicle using this button. And next, remember, we must always maintain a minimum amount of 100 rupees to start the charging successfully, or else you cannot start charging. And come to the map, and you can find your location using the Find Me button. You can see this is the second button in the right below. So if you click on the charger, you can see it's preparing. Since I have connected the connector, it is in preparing. So now select your car. As you can see here, click start charging. Please be patient in this process. Do not rush or remove the connector in between, so no issues arise. You can experience a smooth charging. As you can see, the charging has already begun and the charging has been started successfully. So now let us wait until I get updated units. So as you can see, my car has consumed 36 watts successfully. So now after completing the charging, you need to stop charging. You need to click the stop charging button. So stop. Remember, always be patient at this process. Do not hurry up or pull the connector, because it might cause issues. So now click unlock connector. Great, the connector has unlocked successfully, and you can see my charging invoice has been shown here. So on the map you can see it is in finishing state. Now after you confirm that it is in the finishing state, you can pull your connector and you can go on with your journey. Thank you.